Okay, guys, I went and played with Leo for a little bit. He might be quiet. We'll see. He might come back in. Who knows? Anyway, I put the local maximum and the local minimum on our graph. So we have the three intercepts, the maximum and the minimum, and we're looking for x intervals over which the graph is increasing. Well, it goes like this. That's increasing, and then it's decreasing, and then it's increasing again. We're on the domain of -5 to 5, and so those answers are going to go like this. Where is it increasing? Well, it would start at -5 because it's increasing all the way here. So we're going to say -5, and I'll put a bracket around that because there is a point at -5 and it is increasing. All the way up to this maximum, that's -0.8. Then I'm going to put parentheses there because at -0.8, it's not still increasing. It's kind of at a plateau. Then I'll put a union symbol, and we'll skip over all this to where it's increasing again. And it goes from +0.8 up to +5. Where is it decreasing? Well, just this little spot in the middle. So that would be -0.8 up to +0.8, and we'll put parentheses around those. An interval over which it's constant, that would be a horizontal part, and that doesn't exist, so we put an empty set there. Where is this graph positive? X interval over which it's positive. It would be from this x-intercept to this one, right? All of those y values are positive, and the other ones around it are negative. And so that starts at -1.6, and it goes up to -0.5. I'm going to put parentheses around there, not brackets, because a bracket would mean we're including that x value, and at that x value, the y value is 0. That's not positive or negative. I'm going to put a union, because it's also positive over here. It starts at 1.1, and it goes up to 5. Notice, these are all x values. X values, x values, x values, so don't put the y values. The y values are what's happening. It's increasing. That's what the y values are doing, so you name that area with an x interval. Where is it negative? Below the x-axis, it's here, so -5 as a starting place. That's our domain we were given for the problem. -5 up to where is it negative? Up to this point right here where it's 0, so -1.6. And then we'll put parentheses, and I'll do a union. And then where is it negative elsewhere? Right down here. There's little negative values right there. So it starts here at 0.5, and it goes until it gets here to 0.8. Those are the places where it's negative. So here's your job. Now that we got through that, I'm going to go to the second page. We did all of this while trying to figure out how to graph that thing. And then now I've got another example for you. So on the domain of -10 up to 10, here's what I want you to do. The exact same thing we just did for a new function, -x⁻³ plus 10x squared minus 21x. Put this in your calculator, use it to find maximums and minimums and x-intercepts, and answer all these questions. Do that now.